guys, what's up? How have you all been? So if you might recall, a couple of years back I'd done this video on how to grow hair fast, and a lot of you seem to have loved that video. So I thought let's do a bit of a refresher on that video and talk about something that will make your hair not just look good but also much stronger, much more flexible, so that you all can, in fact, you know what, we all can wear whatever hairstyles you want to wear without worrying about hair breakage and hair damage. I've been thinking, what more can we add? What more can we do to make the hair stronger and flexible? Guys, strong and flexible hair is so important if you really want to enjoy your hair, enjoy your hairstyles, right? You know, after going through multiple blogs and a lot of research, one thing that has really stood out is bamboo. Yes, bamboo. It's something that I had never thought of before, but seriously guys, just think about it, okay? I'm sure most of you are familiar with bamboo as something that we use to make furniture. Bamboo combs are very popular these days. Bamboo is very popular as a house plant, and one thing that always stands out about bamboo when you talk about bamboo is that how strong, how resilient it is. It's almost unbreakable, right? I know, it's this raw combination of strength and flexibility in bamboo that makes it such an amazing natural ingredient, and probably what makes it so versatile and so beneficial as well. So obviously with this exciting new discovery, I started experimenting with things to see what bamboo can really do for my hair. I tried a lot of combinations, a lot of techniques, a lot of home remedies, DIYs, and today I'll be sharing with you the one that has suited me the best and has given me the best results. My hair currently feels so amazing, guys, so yes, let's get started. So for this DIY, we'll be using bamboo powder. This is very readily available, and some ingredients which you probably already have at home. So we'll be using some curd and also aloe vera gel. Now let me just pause here, guys. For aloe vera gel, I'm using homemade aloe vera gel because it's much more natural and it's very easy to prepare. Just cut a slice of aloe vera leaf, scrape off the gel and grind it in a mixture. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the bamboo powder in a bowl, mix the aloe vera gel as well as the curd, and just, you know, mix it thoroughly. And there we have it, guys. Your bamboo hair mask is ready. Now before we proceed, I just want to tell you why bamboo for hair and what are the benefits of bamboo for hair. For example, did you know that bamboo has this property for scalp soothing? It also helps to retain moisture, improve blood circulation in the scalp to improve hair follicle health, prevent hair loss, promote the growth of thicker hair. It also has antioxidant properties to deal with free radicals, and it has anti-irritant properties as well. So honestly, like, if you look at any hair issue, any hair trouble, bamboo could be the solution for it. It has so many amazing benefits. Now moving to the application part of this DIY, how to apply this. So just apply it all over your hair and scalp and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. And after that, rinse it off with your shampoo and see the amazing hair transformation. So for the best results, use it for over a month. And how frequently do you want to use this? Now this remedy is all natural and very safe. So you can use it at least twice a week. Okay, so I'm using it twice a week right now, and my hair seems to absolutely love it. And now let me show you how this bamboo hair mask, essentially the bamboo, has allowed me to have so much fun with my hair. Like, now I can just bend my hair. I can have, let me show this to you, wait. Do you see how strong my hair is? I can actually do this to my hair. The moment I release it, my hair falls back into place. So it's flexible, it's strong, it's elastic. So, like, you know, there's this hairstyle I have been wanting to do for the longest time. It's a very simple hairstyle, but it makes me twist my hair and, you know, play around with my hair a little bit. So I need my hair to be very flexible for this hairstyle. And I have been shying away from doing this hairstyle for the longest time because I was just worried about my hair breaking. My hair was in a bad condition before I started even doing this bamboo hair mask DIY. Bamboo has really worked for me. So yes, my hair straightener is ready. So see, when I'm straightening my hair also, there is no breakage. Previously my hair would break a lot when I would do this. So yes guys, done straightening my hair. Like I said, my hair was already pretty straight, but I just wanted the pin straight hair and no hair breakage, right? The hair tends to break. Like, if your hair is not doing well, the hair will break when you apply heat to it. But because my hair is strong, flexible, healthy, elastic, so good, it doesn't break when I'm doing, you know, when I'm using my straightener anymore. Now moving to the hairstyle, I'm just going to take a larger section of my hair on one side. So you don't want middle parting, you want side parting with this. And I'm just going to take a small section of my hair right here. And this is a part I was really afraid of doing before, because for this I need to twist my hair. So roll it up really well, okay? And then taking this big chunky hair clip, very important. I'm just gonna fix it here. And that's it. Like I told you guys, it's a very simple hairstyle. No breakage, completely flexible hair. That's all you need. And it's so important because when you want to do hairstyles, just twisting your hair, making braids, these are very common steps, right? For any hairstyle that you look at, these are some of the most common steps that you'll usually find. And this is usually when you're straightening your hair, this is usually when the hair breaks a lot. So the hair being strong, being flexible, being healthy is so important. So seriously guys, if you ask me, bamboo balon ko banaye strong and flexible. So more hairstyles, less hair fall. So yes, try out this bamboo hair mask and let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been, what it did for you. And you know, what results do you see? I know the results will be positive guys because it has literally transformed my hair. So yes, on that note, let's end today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me Prachi signing off now. Bye bye.